In this video, we are going to see how to create layers in AutoCAD. To create layers in AutoCAD, first of all, we have to go Home and layers panel, and here we have to go Layer Properties, or we can directly type here LA layer. So the dialog box opened. From here, we have to create new layers. Alt plus N or click from this icon. So we have to create these layers: walls, doors, windows, stairs, text, hedge, axis, column, dimensions. Let's see, we will create one by one. Walls. From here we have to choose color from here. So choose color. Next, click new. Doors. Windows. Click new. So this is the way we can create layers in AutoCAD, and let's understand some more. From this icon we can on off the layers, so it will not visible in our drawing from this icon. And from this icon we can freeze our layers. From this icon we can lock our layer, so we cannot move or delete and edit anything if it is locked. From here we can choose line type and load any line type. From here we can use it. From here, line weight, we can use walls how much line weight, and windows how much line weight. And after that, this is the transparency. We can use it 0 to 90 to make our object transparent. From this, if we click this one, if we print this one on paper, so this wall layer will not be printed. And from this menu, new viewport, if we off this one, when we create a new viewport in layout, it means it is off, then the text and walls will not be visible in our layout or view. These are some options of layers. Hope you guys understand it and learned it. Thanks.